Puti pa lang among gibuta, kapoy na. Ilalim. Inabito kang magbayad na lang ta. Ay, it's recorded.
Hola.
Yeah.
So hot. Tanawa. You can see it? The burns. Yeah.
Does it hurt when I touch it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Dads.
Sunburn.
Dads.
Sunburn. Init kayo. Good day, people! Alright, so taas-taas na ako na vlog tanan for today pero na-delete tanan. Ako kabalon sa inay tabo. So ipaningot ko kay kami nag-zumba. So quarantine pa may gyapon diri sa Balay. So akong otron tanan akong gisulti. So today is Saturday na 1 week kami naka-quarantine diri sa Balay. 1 week? More than a week na. A week.
Yeah, more than 1 week.
So, ganinang buntag, sayo ng mata, namahaw, tapos nag-zumba, then balik sa dati ang trabaho. So, namalit si Mrs. og pintal.
That's confirmed.
Og mamintal may diri sa mga parador. Kami na lang, kay mahal kay pangayo sa pintor. Pili pangayo sa pintor galing?
Mga 28,000 tanan.
Kanitanan, pati dia, wapapil matiras ang libor, ang pangayo sa pintor, mga 20,000. 20 plus. Ibe sa lalim gining magpintal ka, pero puslan mga awa may gibuhat diri sa Balay mga kala. So kami magpintal tanaton sa resulta ni ron. Kapoy naman guys. Papel diliha pa lang galing. Double purpose exercise. Exercise. Makatipid pa ka kay ang labor 20,000 kapin. Banding with wife. Storya mo diri sa inyong kuhan. Basta tong future bill. Apo ba ko nimo. So narila sa mga kapoy din mo, worth it lagi din 20,000. Kung magbayad na lang lagi ta.
A few moments later.
Alright guys. So mga herb, it's painting time.
It smells bad.
Yeah.
Oops, that's it.
Daddy, that's too much.
Oh. It's been a long time since we haven't painted this. It's all just wood. Be careful.
Misa. It's okay. How's this? It's recorded.
Hola.
Yeah.
So hot. There's a saying that a family that paints together. Hey, the lens should be on my face. There's a saying that a family that paints together stays together. A family that paints together
I'll go to the
Smells the paint.
umbrella. They're painting. Oh no, they paint the table.
Is it recorded?
Yes.
Is it recorded? Has it been recorded this whole time?
Uy, uy, uy.
Fire. Go far, Ella, because you're so near.
Yeah, that's true.
It's kind of chill though.
Throw. I'll go to here. Why is it so blurry, Daddy?
You're holding I think you're holding it wrong. You know how Ella holds it?
Guys, so hot. This is a family family bonding.
You have to
Dita. So nagbutang pa mi sa base o sa primer. Pag umanana pintala na po din namo katong burag dark brown. Ayag yung final color. COVID-19. Uy, bravo day sa tanan mga frontliners, sa tanan mga doctors, mga nurses, nasa mga checkpoints, di na lalim. Saludo mi sa inyo mga boss. Busa ka mo di nga walay gipambuhat, kung pwede pa lang ay sagin mo gawas. Padi na ni mo kuyana pa ni nga virus ni. Puro bida ni na virus mata pa ni digong. Inis talaga ko sa virus na ito. I really hate this virus. Who's that talking? Is it like Duterte? You know, I mandated all the mayors. Please, sabi ko sa inyo, wag na kayo. You make your own executive order on your place. Kasi if ayaw nyong lumabas, naku, problema talaga ninyo yan ba? So hot. Napay mga final touches then after this choco na sa kaya natin to, laban lang. Puti pa lang among gibuta, kapoy na. Ilalim. Inabito kang magbayad na lang ta. After aning mga puti, mga kuha na po din katong iyang final pintal nga ingani oh. The same sa among door. Chocolate brown pala, terno na. So amo sa ninyo lang ako pintal ni sa ubos. Mami. Mami. Kira ka. Do it yourself, baby. Do it yourself. So now, gapintal na misa. Brown. Napadagan. Problema, murag kaulan nun. Alas 2 pa. Hurry, hurry. Be sure to be fair, ha? Gusto yun mo, apil-apil. Teach your kids. Smile.
So they can help you. That's what kids are for.
Meanwhile,
It's already almost, it's 5:30. Got my hands paint. And my kids. Where are they? Where? Hey! So, biking. So, I'm so happy. Matudloan ako sila sa akong pagbike. Kita na lang!
Do not go out.
Ay! Look at my little girl. Woo. Ella. Say hi to the camera. Look at her. Look at her. Okay lang yung kalaban. Bihingaw kayo. So sila dito yung tulo-tulo. Sila tulo.
a few moments later.
Gabi na. Mahuman.
Mga ito na sumubaybay na lamang sa sesyon sa pamamagitan ng
Alam niya sa magaling-gabi.
at bumoto sa pamamagitan ng text messaging at instant messaging.
Maraming salamat, Zandro Ochona.
Tinatapos mo ng tumakas ng truck driver pero nahuli siya ng parang nilalang nakainom ng alak.
Suffice it to say that the officer finds himself incapable of teaching at the present time. Learn page 384.
Labi ka Messi. Amo na lagi nitiwason. Pero actually, kapoy na ko. Murang ba? Haway guys. Si mami namin tiwas may gala. O may panihapon.
Dad, high five.
The last part na di ba? Last na? Sama naman dali. Last na lang, gamay na lang yun.
Oh, it's 7 o'clock.
It's 7:30 actually. So we're both hungry.
Oh, so 2 more.
Kailangan ko muna yung manon para mahumanan ni. Kailangan ko muna para mahumanan ni. Sige na hotel.
Cut. Oh no.
Alright, we're done guys.
Very long.
You know, you do like that. Mini pause. Done guys. Grabe lisod kayo mahunaw. Tapos, pag-ilis na ko kanina, tanawa. You can see it? The burns. Yeah.
Does it hurt when I can
Yeah, a little bit.
Dad.
Sunburn.
Dad's.
Sunburn. Init kayo.
Init kayo.
Init kayo. It's time to ligo with my doctor, who is naked right now.
Do not show it.
Alright guys, ligo
Please.
sa amin.
Do not show.
Yeah! Until tomorrow. See you. Come on.
See you guys.
Do your signature pose.
Bye.
Bye.